Social distance. Walk through the door. Okay, walk through the door. There go 3 people. Now, as y'all can see, we are here at Wally World. Nothing but Wally World trailers. We're slowly creeping on down here to a little, 5 miles an hour down here to get here to where we gonna unload this bad boy. Check in, and they already have me a loading. I think he said Louisville, running to somewhere in North Carolina. I think like Liberty, North Carolina. So we're gonna pay $2,000 for like 670 miles, I think, like that. So just under $3 a mile. So could be worse, y'all. Could be worse. But that's okay. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get on down the road. I'm riding my 4 eyes because I can't see. I'm running my little pigtail corkscrew. Yep, that's right. That's me, my little corkscrew. But yeah, we're gonna pull up in here. We're gonna get checked in, and then we're gonna holler at y'all later. Come up here. You get some paperwork. Check in. They say you have to disconnect from your trailer, pull it like 5 feet forward. So as you can see here, but it's supposed to pull forward. But it is what it is, y'all. Social distance. Walk through the door. Okay, walk through the door. There go 3 people.
Well, okay, but he's got bills. He just got the old Dominion bills. He doesn't have the vendor bills.
Well, logistics are supposed to be, this reformer, as long as you have it, green light.
What I got.
All right, y'all. We got door 91. He said a yard jockey truck should be pulling the trailer out any moment. He said it should actually be somewhere right in front of me. So, yep, it's probably that one right. Probably right over here. Let's see, 93, 92. It's literally right in front of me. 91. So, that's the one I need, y'all. But that one is the one he's got to pull out. That's the one where I'm going to, y'all. All right, y'all. That right there, where that jockey truck's pulling that trailer out, that is where I am going. So as soon as he gets that trailer pulled out, I will pull this bad boy in there. Then I'll slide my tandems, I'll get my doors open. So that'll be pretty cool. We'll go ahead and knock that out, get this over with. Wow, is it big enough to open the doors back there? Well, alrighty, that's a Wabash trailer. I got a Wabash trailer, so actually it looks like you can open your doors once you're pulled back into the spot. So we may do that, y'all. We'll get this swung around, we'll back in there. Then we'll slide the tandems, and then we will, boom. Well, shoot. I'm looking at so many trailers that don't have tandem slip. I'm gonna slide mine anyway, y'all. We ain't gonna go out like that. Ain't it right, Thor? Thor's like, yeah, huh? Whatever. Whatever. But yes, we are checked in. I have me another loading in, it is Louisville going to Liberty, North Carolina. Unfortunately, shall I say, unfortunately, it is 43.5 on the weight. But it does pay $2,000, and it's only like 630, 600, something like that miles. I'll get the total actual mileage in as soon as I get in here and get this trailer dropped. But yeah, I was gonna get out the drone, but since this guy has it set up and he's there this quick, I'm not gonna waste the time to pull the drone out this fast and try to, hold up. I wanna hurry up since I do have another reload already scheduled. I don't wanna, waste any more time. So, come on, Old Dominion. I know you're mad at me. I know. It's okay, buddy. Okay, so he's taking that one and I'm taking this other one. Do. That's okay. I'll let him go that way. While he hits that way, I will try to jackknife in this way. Might not be able to damn make it in time. I don't know what that damn jockey truck, if he's okay, good. I was gonna say, is he running behind me? Yeah, I thought I'd be wrong with the way I was at. We're trying to worry about him. I knew I had to go a little bit more, y'all. I knew I wasn't gonna quite make it. So now we'll get it. Fuck truck, don't you be trying to fucking pull out while I'm trying to back up, you stupid ass. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm gonna cuss. I mean, why would this guy try to pull out while I'm literally trying to back into a freaking spot? He knows and sees I need this area. And this freaking Freightliner right here trying to back out or pull out. I mean, why you would pull out when you see a truck literally backing up, flashers on, backing into my freaking spot. Why you would pull out is beyond me. So that's just, that doesn't make much sense, y'all. It doesn't make sense at all. Let's go get the doors open. Slide the tandems. Break the seal here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but these seals here you just take and you just wiggle back and forth and then they eventually come out. Look at that, just enough room. Then we'll slide this bad boy forward. Then we'll get in here, then we'll have to disconnect this bad boy. Y'all, we're in here now. Let's drop the trailer and then let's pull forward. It's on in there. They always tell you need to use two hands. No. Yeah, I use two hands. One to hold myself up against the trailer right here, and one to spin her and let her rip. Gotta go, yee-haw! Boom. They have a wheel chalk, by gosh, use it. Does it hurt? Now we got that there. Come back in, buddy. Drop the bags. They say pull 4 or 5 feet. So your fifth wheel clears, they say. Fifth wheel's cleared, we're good. Vamp, vamp. Then the guy says calling. All right, y'all. This is the Walmart in Olney or Onley or Olney, whatever, Illinois, y'all. So, bam. We're gonna get this. We're gonna go get our computer work done. Put the other load in the computer because I've already got that. So I can put that in my system here, and then we'll be good to go, y'all. See you in a bit. Well, y'all, this is why I hate Walmart. It is now 10:17. I've been here since 7:15. I didn't get a red light on the trailer until about 15 minutes ago. 3 hours, you know, into here, almost 3 hours, and I finally get a red light on the trailer where they're finally starting to unload. And I was put right at a dock. Supposed to reload in Louisville, going to North Carolina. Luckily, looks like the place in North Carolina I can stay. Of course, my brain won't let me sleep laying down knowing it's going to take a while. Because I got internet. Hey, so let's do some things on the internet. Paying bills and things like that. Well, I don't have to use my MiFi pack. Filling out applications, credit applications for the Blue Beacon, because I'm trying to open me a charge account with the Blue Beacon. Tired of, you know, paying each time. Hey, I'll just charge and then just get a monthly statement. I may actually wash the truck a little more. If I don't have to keep whipping out credit cards each time, I'll just pay a one-time monthly deal. May do that more often. But yeah, we're still sitting here. Meanwhile, someone else, he is thoroughly enjoying himself. Hardcore. Watch. Now look at that baby right there. Hims is thoroughly enjoying himself. He's got his little beard going on up here. He's like, oh, rub my belly, Dad. Rub my belly. I know that's Daddy there. And put that belly up. Give me some belly rubs. Ooh. The life of a cat. It is so hard, y'all. Man, it's so rough to be a kitty, isn't it? So rough to be a kitty. But yeah. So I was sitting here trying to do all that mess. I'm finally done. Now I'm debating, do I try laying down or do I work on a video? Because I do have it open. I've got it opened already. I got my files here already. Let's see, we go to my YouTube folder, we go to August, because each thing here I label them in months. And then I open up, like we had videos for July. I put the dates on them and what they are. Then we come here, we have August ones. So Kentucky to North Carolina trailers. We've got head cam or dash cam, head cam, and then phone footage. So it's a matter of, do I get going on all of this? I've already got some of my Tourette's vision. We've already got some phone footage. So, you know, do I go ahead and start putting videos together? Or do I lay down and try to take a nap? I personally think I might lay down and take a nap. Yeah, right? It's that thing right there. Because when I go over there and reload, according to the thing, it's 44.3. But there's only 8 pallets of 44.3. And 8 pallets is what it says on my thing. On the Raycon. So I'm like, whoo, there's some heavy pallets at 44.3 for 8 pallets. So yeah, I may just lay down, work on a video while they load that. So we'll catch you on a bit.